Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for my new subscribers, I'm so excited. In fact, if you're still watching this, just know we vibe, you guys. And thank you so much for supporting me. So as I promised on my intro video, I will be taking you along on my daily adventures and daily experiences. And so today, I'll be taking you out for my, let's say, a favorite spot. So in my place, we happen to have a river that have a waterfall, and it's so cool, you guys. I'll be taking you there with me. Yeah. So to start with, I have a starter pack. So I'm packing some things to carry with me. Yeah. So tag along, and thank you so much for supporting me. So God bless you.
Feeding on me the little things I'm enjoying my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu. Safiri, safiri, safiri nami. Safiri, safiri nami. Safiri nami. I'm going with thee. Safiri, safiri nami. The little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Safiri, safiri, safiri nami, safiri nami. Safiri, safiri nami, the little things that joy in my life. I'm moment with thee, I'm moment with thee. I'm moment with thee, I'm moment with thee. A moment with thee, 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 a moment with thee. Safiri nami, a moment with thee. Safiri nami, a moment with thee. Safiri, safiri nami, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu, safiri, safiri.
So guys, as I told you, in my starter pack, I am carrying this coffee maker. I love it. I really love making coffee, especially when I go there. And I have a book. Yeah, So I carried this, to set the mood. It gives me that picnic solo mood. So, and some Rubik's Cube. Of course, when I get bored reading the book, I can solve some Rubik's, some lighter, some lip gloss for my lips. It's a girlish thing, Some Masai cover. It's a solo picnic. Sometimes I go alone. Sometimes I find some friends there. We can share some ideas. When I'm not reading a book, sometimes I sleep and listen to music. So that's all. That's all that I'm carrying on my starter pack. Anything I've left? And for snacks, I'll be buying some fruits on my way there. So there's a market around here. So I'll be buying some fruits and maybe some snacks maybe. Yeah, that's all for my set. Yeah, I forgot about this. This is for my specs. You do realize I can't see without my glasses, so I have to carry this. And this is for my backup in case my light tries to misbehave. So yeah, that's all. So let's go.
Safiri nami, the little things I'm enjoying my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu. Safiri, safiri, safiri nami. Safiri, safiri nami. Safiri nami. I'm going with thee. Safiri, safiri nami, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu, safiri, safiri. Safiri nami. Safiri nami. Safiri, safiri safiri nami, a moment with me. Safiri nami, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu safiri, safiri nami, safiri nami.
So guys, we are finally here. So this place is called Gatitika. I'm still looking for locals to tell me what it means or how they came about with that name. But what matters is it's my favorite spot. So the road has been a bit dusty, but the good thing is we finally made it. So come with me.
Safiri nami, the little things I bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu safiri nami, safiri nami, safiri nami, a moment with me. Safiri nami, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu safiri nami, safiri nami. Safiri nami, the little things that joy in my life. A moment with me, a moment with me. A moment with me, 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 a moment with me. Safiri nami, a moment with me. Safiri nami, a moment with me. Safiri nami, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu safiri nami, safiri nami. Safiri nami, the little things that joy in my life. A moment with me, a moment with me, a moment with me. Safiri nami, a moment with me, a moment with me, a moment with me.
Hi, so I'm done with the setup. So one of the things I've been trying to do is like cook using the 3 stones and the firewood. So right now I want to go and look for firewood and the 3 stones. So come along. Let's go. Let's go look for 3 stones.
Safiri nami, the little things I bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu safiri nami, safiri nami, safiri nami, a moment with me. with thee. A moment 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 with thee. Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. It gets stop feeling on me. The little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou, stop feeling, stop feeling. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. The little things that joy in my life. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. The little things that joy in my life. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. The little things stop feeling on me. The little things I bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. A moment with me. Stop feeling on me. The little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou, stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. Stop feeling on me. The little things that joy in my life. A moment with thee. 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 Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. Stop feeling on me. A moment with thee. It gets stop feeling on me. The little things that bring joy in my life.
So, guys, my coffee is ready, so it's time to enjoy. This is my favorite thing to do. Always. So, guys, I My coffee is great. It's just great. And my dog is called Rafiki. He likes fruits. He likes mangoes and watermelons. Kinda weird, right? So I had carried some snacks, strawberry cream biscuits. So I'll be eating this with my coffee and some fruits. I have some watermelon and mangoes. Yeah, and that's my solo picnic with my best friend here. So welcome. Let's enjoy.
It's a feeling on me. The little things I'm enjoying my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou. So feeling on me. So feeling on me. So feeling on me. I'm going with me. It's a feeling on me. The little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou, so feeling on me. So feeling on me. Because so feeling on me. The little things that joy in my life. I'm going with me. I'm going with me. A moment with thee, 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 a moment with thee. So feeling on me, a moment with thee, so feeling on me, a moment with thee. Because so feeling on me, the little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou, so feeling on me, so feeling on me. Because so feeling on me, the little things that joy in my life. A moment with thee, a moment with thee, a moment with thee. So feeling on me, a moment with thee, a moment with thee. Because so feeling on me, the little things that it's a feeling on me. The little things I'm enjoying my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou. So feeling on me. So feeling on me. So feeling on me. I'm going with me. Because so feeling on me. The little things that bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Caribou, so feeling on me, so feeling on me. Because so feeling on me, the little things that joy in my life. I'm going with me, I'm going with me. A moment with thee, a moment with thee, a moment with thee. A moment with thee, a moment with thee, a moment with thee, a moment with thee, a moment with thee. So feeling on me, a moment with thee, so feeling on me, a moment with thee.
So guys, that was it. I would really love to spend the whole day here, but unfortunately, that is the end of our video. We enjoyed ourselves. We had a good time. I hope you had a good time too. So from here, we're going back home. So this place is Gatitika. It's a free place. It's a free place. You can come and chill. If you want me to pin the location, you can just write it on the comment section, right? And big shout out to you viewers and my able director AYB Concepts, aka Akilia Babu. So until next time, it's a bye. See ya.
Because I feel, the little things that feelings are fading on me. The little things I bring joy in my life. Every adventure I find myself in. Karibu